Dear students, you are welcome in Heravali School History classes. I am teaching you class 8th history, remaining part of chapter Women, Caste and Reform. I have studied that how many people were trying to reform the condition of women, poor people and lower classes. In this regard, there were some people belonging to the untouchables called Dalit, like Jyotirao Phule, Periyar, etc. Similarly, European Christian missionaries were also trying to expand and spread, propagate Christianity among people through their welfare works like providing health and education facilities in poor areas. So many people supported them while others opposed them. Similarly, some leaders from untouchable community were now making many protests and reform movements. I will study in it through their questions. So now question number 5 of the why were Christian missionaries attacked by many people? Question number 5 of the book. Why were Christian missionaries attacked by many people? There is also a second part in this question. Would some people have supported them too? Answer: Christian missionaries were attacked by many people because these missionaries tried to expand and propagate Christianity through their schools and hospitals and charity works. Some people supported them because these were providing education and health facilities in in backward areas. Question number 6. In British period, what were new opportunities of job opened for untouchables? In question number 6, in the British period, what new opportunities opened up for low caste people. Answer. Number 1, jobs in railways, municipalities, factories, and army. Second, work in plantations, cities, and mines, etc. Question number 7. How did Jyotirao reformer justify criticism of their caste inequality? Jyotirao Phule was very opponent of Brahmins. He was against Brahmins because he considered Brahmins were outsider, because he were Aryans, and Aryan had come in India 1500 BC, and they defeated the real children of India, low caste people and Dharmil etc., and captured India and its resources. So they considered that Aryans as well as Brahmins were foreigners, and the real owner of India and its resources were low caste people, Dharmil etc. Question number 7. How did Jyotirao Phule justify his criticism of caste inequality? Answer. Jyotirao Phule told that Brahmins were Aryans and foreigner. They defeated and enslaved real children of India and captured its resources. Third point, so low caste people the real children of India are honors of India and its resources. Question number resources. Question number 8. Why did Phule dedicate his book Gulamgiri to the American movement to free the slaves? During this reform period, there was a movement was also launched in America under the President Abraham Lincoln to free the American slaves. There was a fight against blacks and whites, which led the death of Abraham Lincoln, but movement became successful and the white people were forced to free the slaves. Jyotirao Phule wrote a book Gulamgiri during this period, and he dedicated this book to this movement because he considered that the condition of Indian low caste people, untouchables, are similar to American slaves. ज्योतिराव फुले ने एक किताब लिखी थी गुलामगिरी, और उन्होंने इस किताब को अमेरिका के उसी मूवमेंट को डेडिकेट किया था, क्योंकि वो समझते थे कि हिंदुस्तान के लो कास्ट पीपल भी अमेरिकन गुलामों की तरह से ही एक्सप्लॉइटेड और सताए हुए ऑप्रेस्ड लोग हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Why did Jyotirao dedicate his book Gulamgiri to American movement, American movement to free slaves, to free slaves. The answer Jyotirao dedicated his book Gulamgiri to the American movement because he considered condition of Indian low caste people similar to American slaves. And question number 9. What did Ambedkar want to achieve through the temple entry movement? डॉक्टर अंबेडकर टेम्पल एंट्री मूवमेंट के जरिए क्या हासिल करना चाहते थे? डॉक्टर अंबेडकर ये दिखाना चाहते थे कि इंडिया में जात पात की जड़ें कितनी गहरी हैं और यहाँ पर लो कास्ट पीपल के साथ कितना ज़्यादा बुरा बर्ताव होता है। उनको किस तरीके से इंसान भी नहीं समझा जाता है, इंसान से बदतर समझा जाता है। यानी जिस तालाब में कुत्ते और सुअर पानी पी सकते हैं, उस तालाब से इंसान को पानी, लो कास्ट पीपल को पानी पीने का राइट नहीं था। मंदिरों में घुसने पर पाबंदी लगी हुई थी। तो इन सब की वजह से वो दुनिया को ये दिखाना चाहते थे कि भारत में लो कास्ट पीपल की कंडीशन कितनी बुरी है, उनके साथ किस तरीके का बुरा बर्ताव होता है। Dr. Ambedkar wanted to show that these untouchable people are also human beings. They also wanted to show the bad condition of caste discrimination in India and the caste prejudice among the upper caste of people in India. And question number 9. What did Dr. Ambedkar want to show through his temple entry movement, Answer Dr. Ambedkar wanted to show the bad condition of caste prejudice in India for low caste peoples, Dalits. Second, he also wanted to say that low caste people are also human beings. Question number 10. Why were Jyotirao Phule and Ramaswamy Naikar Periyar criticized the national movement? Did their criticism help the national struggle in any way? There were two great leaders called Jyotirao Phule and Ramaswamy Naikar Periyar during this period. They were also joined the National Freedom Movement of Indian National Congress, and they wanted to free country as well as to improve the condition of their community. लेकिन जब उन्होंने देखा कि नेशनल मूवमेंट के लोगों के अंदर इतना ज़्यादा जात पात को लेकर के इतना ज़्यादा कास्ट प्रेजुडिस और दुर्भावना भरी हुई है, जातीय पूर्वाग्रह से लोग ग्रस्त हैं और उनके साथ साथ उनको बिल्कुल अछूत, उनको मूवमेंट में भी अछूत माना ही जाता है, तो उन्होंने इसके लिए नेशनल मूवमेंट की आलोचना शुरू कर दी थी और खुद को मूवमेंट से अलग करना शुरू कर दिया था। अब उनके इस तरह के विरोध और प्रतिरोध का असर ये हुआ कि गांधी जी ने नेशनल मूवमेंट के लीडर्स को समझाया, उनसे कहा कि 100 साल तक आप लोगों को स्वराज नहीं मिलेगा अगर आप लोग अनटचेबिलिटी वाला एक गुनाह करना नहीं छोड़ते हैं, और हम लोग हज़ारों साल तक इस तरीके से गुलाम बने ही रहेंगे। इसलिए आप लोग अपने दिलों को बदलें और इस छुआछूत वाले गुनाह को, जात पात की भेदभाव वाले गुनाह को छोड़ें। तो इन सब की वजह से गांधी जी के प्रभाव से नेशनल मूवमेंट के दौरान काफ़ी कुछ बदलाव आया और इसके साथ साथ उनकी कंडीशन को भी इम्प्रूव करने का मौका मिला। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Why were Jyotirao Phule and Periyar critical of the national movement? Did their criticism help the movement? Answer: Periyar and Phule were critical of national movement due to social discrimination in it. Their criticism helped the movement because because Gandhi ji forced leaders to give up social discrimination. This end of our video. We will meet next day. Thank you. Please help me and memorize all of these in proper way. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.